My name is Anthony Hutia. I'm in charge of the mobile division in Samsung Electronics East Africa. So I actually take care of the mobile division and accessories in mobile. Changes that have come with it. The first one is now, at least for Generation 6, what we are calling Fold6, is that we are having now the AI integration into it as the first new feature or functionality that we've included. The next part is whereby we made a bit of changes into the whole design of the phone and the way that it looks. Okay, we've also made it slimmer and lighter if you consider with Fold5. Okay, so there have been more enhancements that we've done with the AI integration into the phone. It means then it's more of a daily use phone than just having that phone. So with the integration of AI, it gives you more usability, and it looks at you as what you need to use per day and is able to use. Lighter, slimmer, the edges that we were looking at now, it's even the spaces that you could consider between the screens is even much smaller. So those are some of the key top features and functionalities that we have with the new Fold6.
I know Samsung went with Galaxy I and the S24 back in January, and we've seen you now implementing that new foldable. Why is this so important?
To be at least a brand that you differentiate, you have to make sure that you come up with technology that puts you ahead of the others in the market. Now, AI has been something that is being talked about across board, but you've never seen AI actually being used on your daily usage. So us being able to integrate that on the phones that people use on a daily basis, what we are saying is we are bringing the technology of AI with our technology and combining that and having that as one place where all this stops. It's like one-stop shop where you can be able to get all this. So it's not only the buzz AI, it's actually AI because you use it on a daily basis in most of the things that you do on a day-to-day basis.
Right.
So that is part of cutting edge technology that we're introducing for our devices.
There was a lot of demonstration of just how to use different AI features in the new phone. And one thing I noticed is you guys were bringing Galaxy I to 200 million devices this year. So what things are we looking at? Is it just some type of
So mostly it will be among called the flagship and the high-end smartphones. That's why we'll have this being trickled down. We've started in other models like S23 and so on. So it's going to be among the flagship models and the high-end. You know, we have the entry-level, mid, and high-end smartphones. Then we have the flagship. So around the flagship models and the high-end smart devices is where we are going to be introducing these AI features and functionalities.
So just lastly, let's talk about the adoption in Kenya. From your speech you gave, you talked about 34% demand.
Yes, so what we saw previously from S23 to S24, it's actually around, on average, around 35% incremental kind of sales out of, or adoption out of the new model. So S23 versus S24, we saw that increment of up to 35%. So it shows actually people are now realize or recognize what that can come and can bring. So they actually pick that up very well, and it is something that they're actually enjoying to do.
Let's talk about the pre-orders. Where can people pre-order this, and what benefits have with pre-orders, and when it starts, when it ends?
Okay, so pre-order starts immediately from next week, actually from now, because now we unveiled it. After unveil, then you're able to do the pre-orders and be able to, it runs until the end of the month. What happens is you can be able to go to a Samsung branded shop and you're able to get it. So most of our dealers countrywide, not only in Nairobi, can be able to offer this, and you can actually go and say you need a pre-order. So what we've done with the pre-order is we are giving a free case, especially for the Fold. It comes with a pen. Most of the time, because of the screen size and carrying, you need to do that. And also for the Flip, we have also a bunch of, it comes with the different designs of casing that you can be able to use as part of the package that we give to the first people who did the pre-order within this pre-order period. Thank you very much.